principal practical takeaways from 31368 are the way that it dramatically sharpens the regulatory expectations around how firms are actually operationalizing KYC, KYP, and suitability under the CFRs. I think what's new that I saw was the level of specificity and the number of concrete examples that the CSA and CIRO give of what is good or what bad might look like under the CFRs. It's really important for firms to be conducting a thorough gap analysis of their processes against what's in the report. Second, and this is, I think, the best part of the report for me, was that there's a strong emphasis on centralization and efficiency at the firm level. So the regulators are clearly encouraging firms to build centralized systems and analyses. And that's fantastic because what I think is it gives an opportunity for firms to strengthen their compliance and also reduce unnecessary duplication by requiring the wheel to be reinvented for every client. Third, I think documentation of firm processes was a major theme in the report. The report does include towards the end a detailed list of what firms' CFR processes should look like. And there's a lot of emphasis on describing the steps and processes that must be undertaken to comply with what might be in your policy. So, for example, how is KYC collected? How is a meaningful interaction with a client insured? I think the message here is really clear that firms need documented, assigned, and defensible processes, not just informal processes or a regurgitation of the rules. Another area was model portfolios. And while this is not new, we did see it in the BCSC report last year, there's more details. And the report clarifies that suitability and KYP operate at two levels. So at the model level when building and maintaining a portfolio, and then at a client level when selecting a model. So 31368 isn't about new legal obligations per se, but it's more about removing the ambiguity and shedding more light in terms of what the regulatory obligations and expectations are in terms of how they are operationalized.